You guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with my favorite video, literally my favorite video to make, which is my seasonal wish list. So we are talking my spring wish list, want to buy for this upcoming spring season. Highly encourage you make a spring wish list, or any season a shopping wish list, if you will. If you find yourself kind of, I don't know, just not knowing the direction you want to go, or seeing things and they're cute, whatever, add it to a notes app on your phone. I am this way. Like if I'm scrolling TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever, and I'm constantly seeing something, instead of going to that website, put it on your wish list, okay? You can even go to the website, save the link, depending on what you want to do, but putting it on a wish list helps you really think through before just being like, done, I'm buying, okay? Unless it's already on your wish list and you want it, whatever. Let's say it's a budgeting issue and you want it, but you can't afford that price yet. Wait till it goes on sale. I don't know. I am totally a fan of wish lists. I do it every single season. I mean, I always have a want to buy list on my phone. Don't get me wrong, I still make impulse purchases, but it's really helped kind of figure out, especially with trends, I would say, like if I'm debating on trying a new trend for the season, or feeling like I'm missing something for my wardrobe but haven't found the right piece yet, that's where my wish list comes kind of in into play. Sometimes it'll be like an idea, sometimes it'll be an exact item, whatever. But I have 10 items, or maybe 11. I don't know, I got some items, okay, that I am lusting after. So let's dive in. I have a lot of shoes. Anyway, the first is the Fisherman Sandal trend, okay? These remind me more of like a flat, to be honest with you, like a summer flat, if you will. The Fisherman Sandals, they're so cute. I love them. Now, I did try a pair from Target, and I'm not sure if like they really hit what I want them to. I saw them in store, loved them, bought them, tried them, just don't know if they're like an everyday type of shoe that I can wear with multiple items. But I am really liking white. I did try to look up a tan pair, which I really liked. Anthropologie has some super cute ones, but the Fisherman Sandal to me would just be an easy way to have like a dressier summer sandal, but in a flat form. I don't know how to explain it. A dressy summer shoe, if you will. I think it's so cute. And yeah, I'm like really debating between a couple pairs. I think the Target ones I like, but I just feel like the studs are a little bit much, but maybe the studs aren't much for you. Who knows, you know? To each their own. But I think they're really cute. I just think they're a fun item, and I think I would really get a lot of use out of it. And fun fact, I do not own white shoes at all. So I feel as though a white little shoe like this would be very cute. It's kind of girly, but I think if paired the right way, it's just a classic shoe and can be really cute. Even though it's trendy, I still think it's classic. Okay, next up is some sort of polka dotted silk satin top, if you will, okay? I've been loving the polka dot ones with the lace. So cute. Abercrombie does it. They have matching sets. I'm just not that kind of girl, okay? I'm not walking around with a full look like the skirt and the top. It's just not me. I feel like it's good for like a 20-year-old, but 30s, no, I don't necessarily think it's my cup of tea. But with a pair of jeans, even like a loose pair of jeans, I thought would look cute. Like you kind of get the vibe of like a dressy top with more of like a toned down bottom. I am from the day and age of a cute top with a pair of jeans. Going out top, pair of jeans. That was like what I did in college, all of that. That was the vibe. And I think I kind of strayed away from like statement-y sort of tops over the past couple of years, just statement pieces in general. I feel like I've really toned down and gone into this whole like neutrals and capsule wardrobe and all of that. And it's kind of like, I want some more fun. I want some more spice. I want some more unique pieces that who cares how many times you wear them, you know what I mean? But I want some more fun pieces. So you kind of will see that throughout the theme of this spring wish list. But I'm into polka dots, okay? I've always been a polka dot girl, but I feel like polka dots are coming up again, and I'm really loving the different options. And I think it would be cute in like a dainty little top instead of like something really bold, because polka dots are kind of a bold trend or a bold print. So yeah, speaking of prints, okay? I'm loving animal print, okay? I wore the heck out of leopard print anything through college. I loved it. I used it as a neutral. It was great. I just love it, okay? But now, fresh and funky, cow print, cowhide, if you will. This belt, I also really love the little like zebra. Are you kidding? I just imagine it with like, just to kind of elevate, like I said, a very basic plain outfit that I have a ton of, instead of just going and buying all these new flashy things, adding flashier, fun, kind of statement pieces to my basic wardrobe, I feel like will be a fun way to transition as I'm building into more crazy pieces. Now, I'm not somebody who necessarily wants a full like leopard or cow print top or jeans. I'm just not there. I know Abercrombie has some cow print jeans if you're into it, and they look really cute, but it's just, I don't know. I just think of that and I'm like, how many times would I actually wear them? So the belt, I'm obsessed. Totally gonna get one of these. Can't decide which one. I honestly feel like they serve two different purposes. I feel like the cow print more of like a daytime, and then the zebra more of like a nighttime. The dark jeans, a black like bodysuit, long sleeve or button up, whatever. So freaking cute. So I'm loving the animal print in like a fun kind of new way. Obsessed. And this next one, I feel as though y'all are gonna come for me, okay? But I need these. Mary Jane Sambas by Adidas. Are you kidding? If I could buy them right now, I would. I can't link them. They're not available yet. They say spring 2025. I will be buying them. I imagine them with just so many outfits. I imagine them like with a maxi skirt, like a white flowy maxi skirt, more of like a sporty, that whole like wrong shoe theory, whatever, I don't know. I'm going to wear them all the time with my little Halara activewear dresses. Just so cute. They are coming out in white and they're coming out in black. I definitely want the white pair. I know there's a couple of other brands. I think Onitsuka does a kind of shoe like this, but I just think it's such a fun and cool vibe. I'm obsessed. I need these, like, need them. I see like they're like saying they're sold on like StockX and all these retail sites, but they're not yet. So I don't know. I really need to get my hands on them. I'm hoping everyone else thinks they're ugly and I can just be able to buy them and don't have to pay like over market price or whatever. But these live rent free in my brain. Like literally obsessed since the minute I saw them. You could never talk me out of them. Okay, next up, talking about statement pieces, okay? This Free People shirt just, okay. But I will say, $200 for a button-up is like nuts, okay? But this looks like it's worth it. It's got the embroidered, like all of that looks like it's shot. I'm hoping it is. I'm loving it. I love that it's so just unique and cool and just like kind of a vintagey vibe, but I don't know. I'm in love with this, but it's more of a statement piece. It's not just a plain white button-up with like a red sweater thrown over the shoulder. It is all of it all in one. And I just think it would look really cute with a pair of jeans. And I really like this, or denim shorts, whatever. I just think that this is a piece that I would wear the heck out of and I would have for years because I feel like it is just such a classic piece. So I think that's kind of the vibe that I'm going for. If I'm going to jump out and get these sort of more like unique statement items, I want them to be in a very classic fit where like I will have this for years and pull it out every once in a while and I just think it'll always be good. So yes, I think I'm going to get this. I just need to decide what size. I don't want it to be super oversized, and I know Free People is typically oversized, so I think I might order a couple, maybe like the extra small and the small, and kind of see. I want it to be mildly oversized but not like huge, because I feel as though, again, if this is a trend that I want or a style that I want to keep in my life for a very long time, because it is more of an investment piece and I can see myself wearing it for many years, I want it to be a classic sort of fit. So I love this, okay? All right, next up is a trend that I am very much a fan of, white overalls. Now, I tried a pair. I ordered a recent pair in my most recent Quince order, which I'll throw up in the cards. Unfortunately, I got them in a medium. I'm normally always sizing up in Quince, but these were way too big. So I'm gonna try them in a small, but these other ones I thought were really cute were Levi's. Oh, adorable. Levi's does white denim very, very well. The Quince ones are more of a stretchy material, whereas the Levi's are more of like a thick denim. And I have a thick denim like pair of overalls, so I feel like I like the stretchy. It's kind of giving painter, but I think it's a very cool piece. I love overalls, and it was really funny. I wear overalls, denim overalls, quite often in the spring, summer. I just think I really like it. I don't know. And I was out like a while ago, and I had met this girl who had seen me at a birthday party for one of our kids, and she was like, oh yeah, I remember you were wearing overalls, and I thought that was so cool. And I was like, you know, see, I love overalls. They're just such a good statement piece, and I feel like it's a piece that a lot of people just don't gravitate towards, but they're fun. It's so easy, it's so like convenient, it's all in one piece, and they're great. Throw it on with like a tank or a tee or anything like that, and I just think white overalls are really fun and fresh. And like I said, I already have denim ones. I already pull those out every spring and summer, but I thought a white pair was a perfect way to kind of, you guys know my obsession with white denim recently, so yeah, makes sense. All right, more shoes, okay? Y'all know my obsession with sneakers. First of all, this is another thing that dates me back. In college, we were all about colored heels, okay? Again, we wore like very basic outfits, but we'd have like a bold color heel to kind of like pop. It was just a thing, okay? I don't know why, but it was. Wedges in all the different colors, from like Charlotte Russe or freaking wherever, you know what I mean, Forever 21, all of it. It was all like a bolder colored shoe. Very into that. Y'all know my obsession with Adidas Adidas Gazelles. Oh my God, Adidas Spezial handballs are my favorite sneaker on my foot. They fit so good, they're so comfortable, and I just love the way they look. And I own them in brown, green, blue. I need them in pink, okay? This bubblegum pink, it's everything. They had like a red and pink last year. It's still around, but I'm really liking this pink colorway. I love. And I feel as though I'm not normally a pink girl. Pink is the new color of the spring and summer. This sort of like bubblegum pink, pastel-y sort of pink. And I just feel like I will actually get a ton of use out of these because I get a ton of use out of all of my sneakers. And I love them. Okay, I have no problem going bold with shoes. I have a problem going more bold with clothing. But anyway, these pink sneakers, I need them in my life. Okay. Next up, gingham, okay? Gingham. I used to have this navy and white gingham button-up that I wore all the time in college, and I loved it. Can't even remember where it's from. I want to say like Loft or something. I don't know, okay? Ann Taylor, I'm not sure. But I love gingham, and I'm loving it in a way that's a little bit different. So, not different. This red dress, the drop waist. Oh, it's everything. I need this. It's so cute. They don't have my size, of course. It's Zara. But I do want to check my local Zara and see if they have it in store, because it's so cute. It always says like coming soon, but I feel like that's a nicer way of saying sold out. You missed, okay? But I love it. I love everything about it. I think it's very casual. I think it can be worn with just something very simple, like a basic sandal, Birkenstock. It's just cute. And I'm loving the smocked, dropped waist, everything about it. It's not a bold, like picnicky gingham. It's like a very cute gingham. On the flip side of that, I love this little matching set, which I'm not normally a matching set, like I said, but I think this could be cute. And I don't know, it's a skirt. I like the skirt, okay? It's really cute. They also have a longer version if shorter skirts aren't your vibe, but I'm liking this little set. Even though I'm not typically a set person, I feel like I can mix and match. I could wear a white button down or a black button down or denim button down with the skirt or skirt, and I can wear the top with any of my jeans, shorts, whatever. So I think it's cute, and it's on sale at Gap right now. Okay, next up, we're moving a little bit into accessories. I think we're all into accessories now. A yellow baseball cap. Now, I, for so long, really thought yellow was just not my color, and I really don't care anymore. I own so much yellow. I love it. It really started last year, and now I'm literally looking at the fact that I have on my clothing rack over here, a yellow sweater, a white linen button, or a yellow linen button up, a yellow linen, or a yellow Oxford. Do I have two yellow button-ups? No. A striped yellow button-up, and then a little shell lemon yellow. Oh my God, words today. Top. There's just so much fun in yellow. It brings me so much joy. I would say, if I've never been color analyzed or whatever, but I would say yellow is not my color typically. But I don't care anymore. I love it. and I'm gonna wear it and it makes me happy. Anytime I put on yellow, it makes me happy. So I'm wearing it, okay? And a yellow hat is no exception. Will it look crazy with blonde hair? Maybe. Maybe it won't. Maybe I need it. I don't care. There's two that I'm debating. They're both polo. I love polo hats. One has the navy blue, which I'm leaning more towards, but that's called a corn yellow, whereas the other one, I forgot what yellow that's called, it has the teal. I haven't decided which one. I feel like the yellow with the navy is more classic, but the teal one is really fun and springy and summery. So we'll see. Let me know. Which one do you think I should rock? And if you don't think that blondes in my skin tone should wear yellow, I don't care. Don't care, okay? All right, next up is a beaded bag. Now, these have been on my wish list for a hot minute. Now, not this specific pattern. I purchased was it the olive one or the tomato one? I can't remember, last summer, and I was put on a wait list. I didn't know when I purchased it that it wouldn't be shipped until October. And I was like, well, I'm done. I don't want it anymore because there was no incentive to buy it because there was nothing, it wasn't on sale or anything like that, you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna buy it and let it sit in my closet for a year until it's warm again. So these, I'm so glad I waited also, but the lemon and the olive are so adorable, but this radish, ooh, and this lemon, I love them. Okay, there's a fun pop to them, but they're they're blue and white, which goes with everything. I love it. These are so cute. They're very similar to the Stod bags, which are like 200 plus. These are under $100. Maybe the Stod bags are even 300. I don't care. I think they're so cute. They're so fun. Again, kind of going out there with my accessories just a little bit. Y'all know I'm not a purse girl. Really, hardly ever. But I think these are so fun. And I need them, okay? I need them to wear with my overalls. I'm just kidding, but I need them. They're so cute, okay? So definitely going to get one of them. Sound off, which one do you think I should get? And then let's end with a bang, okay? Another pair of sneakers. Yes, sneakers. Yellow. I need these. I wish they were not sold out right now. I cannot find them on anywhere besides Revolve. I'm gonna scour some other sites, but these are so cute. These are, again, my favorite style, the Adidas Specials, so good. And yeah, I need them in my life. They're so freaking cute. I don't know. I have nothing else to say about them besides I love yellow. I want to wear them with white jeans. I want to wear them with denim. I just feel like it's a color that will just look good with everything. And again, yellow, I've accepted it. I keep thinking like, will it look good on my skin? It'll look good on tan skin, you know? But if you've never tried the Adidas Special handballs, ooh, they're the perfect sneaker. They're slim. They're so cute. They're my favorite. So instead of trying to branch out and find different ones, I'm gonna buy them in every single color, okay? We're collecting the rainbow over here. I don't care, I love them. I love the way they fit. I love the way they make my foot look, and they're just perfection, in my opinion, okay? So that is it. That is my little spring wish list. I got a lot, okay? Lots of shoes, but lots of fun, bright colors. We may be heading more like summer, spring, but whatever. I'm still gonna have a summer wish list as well because I had to hesitate to put some on for this, and I'm like, girl, it's more summer. But I am having so much fun looking at spring clothes, and just, even though it's sunny out today, it is 25 degrees. Dallas decided to be crazy. And then on Monday of next week, it's gonna be in the 70s. So, you know, you just never know. But I'm excited for spring. I'm excited for bright colors. I'm excited to kind of enter into my more statement pieces, whether it be actual clothing items or accessories in the meantime while I'm building that up. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have all of the items that I mentioned either shoppable on the YouTube shop button or in the description box down below for you guys to check out. But if you have never tried doing like a shopping list, I recommend doing it. I think you will be pleasantly surprised, especially if it's something that you're kind of like, I like it. I like the idea of it. I just haven't decided the exact item. It's a fun way to kind of narrow it down and make really good shopping decisions. So I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.